In every step of the way, I didn't follow people that were already in the dream, living my dream. So, hello guys, welcome to the channel. Your girl Isauda Abru here, your credit specialist, your best friend, your inspiration for this 2025 and all of the upcoming years because we are leveling up. We are trying our best to become the better version of ourselves. And what a better way to do that than to follow people that are already living the dream that you want to achieve or that are already on that journey. They don't have to be already there, but at least on the journey. So this is right here me. In this space you can find information about credit repair, side hustle, moving to the Dominican Republic, and more. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Comment and like this video. Time zone here in the Dominican Republic where I live. And yeah, I actually love this time, but because this is the time where I get more inspired. If you follow me for a long time here in the channel, you know I used to work as a medical delivery courier, and the time that I usually went out to work was around 3 a.m. So back then, 3 a.m. and up was my creativity time because since I was always driving, that's when a lot of ideas, a lot of motivational videos, a lot of stuff came into my mind, manifestation, um, uh, a lot of things. So it's a good time for me at this time to record. So if you see me like that, you already know Isaura Brew jumped out of her bed and came straight to record videos for the YouTube channel. In today's video, in particular, we are going to be talking a little bit about the importance of having people around you that are going to inspire you to achieve the dreams that you are that you want. They're achieving the dreams that you want to achieve in your life. And this could be short terms or long terms. It's very important to address this topic in the channel because I strongly believe that a lot of us sometimes we lose our hopes on stuff that can happen in our life because sometimes we don't have people talking about realistic things. We see people on the other side of our screens that are very perfect that how am I going to get there if that person maybe was already there or it was easy for them? But in my case, you guys have been following me. If you haven't followed me, just go watch some of the previous videos so that you know and you see my struggles when I was living in New York City back in 2024. I moved to the Dominican Republic July 5th, 2024. So before that, or all my life since 2008, I was living in New York City. Until I was 12, I was here in the Dominican Republic, and then I went to New York City with my mom, where I grew up. I went to school. Da 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 da. Long story short, I am back to the Dominican Republic, and all of this was possible because I didn't stay stuck on the mentality that a lot of Dominican or foreign people that go to the US have when they get there. Because the system over there, I'm not putting down American US system because I have to say that a lot of the things that I know today, I was able to learn because of the possibilities that the country gave me. But at the end of the day, I am a strong believer that you make your own opportunities because you have the capacity to create or design your own life through thoughts, actions, plans, and character, habits also that you create every single day. That's why it's important, like I was saying at the beginning of the video, you have around you, or you surround yourself with people, individuals, podcaster, YouTubers that are already in the path that you want to be, or you know, they have already achieved that dream of yours. This is important because, like I said, if you go back to the videos and you see me talking about my desire and the wish that I had to come here to the Dominican Republic to live, I was always following other people that were already in my in the dream. I was following other Dominican people that had already moved to the Dominican Republic or another countries, just to see how it feels, or what they were talking about when it comes to expenses, what they were talking about making money online, or how were they making money. And those were little things that helped me realize that there was more to life than just being a medical delivery courier, that there was a lot of skills that I could learn to offer to people outside of my country. So in this case, I learned credit repair. And if you're following me in this channel, you know I have learned a lot of stuff. But when God has something for you and the universe has something specifically for you, you don't really decide, or you don't really have a voice on what is it, because the universe already has what is it for you. So out of the blue, 1.5 years ago, I started with the credit thing. It blew up on social media on my platform after a lot of years of me being in social media. When I started talking about credit and how I was doing it, and testimonials of people getting their credit in a better situation and stuff like that, it blew up. I started having a lot of clients. I started selling my digital products, and it was crazy. It was crazy. Till then, I had already made them the house building and stuff like that, but the amount of money I was able to make, after a lot of stuff, social media paying me, services, coaching, a lot of this stuff, I was able to obtain a lot more than a regular corporate job that I was working, or any contracting job that I was working in the United States, where I was actually physically delivering in order to receive a payment. So when I started selling online and I saw the potential that social media and the internet has for you to elevate yourself without so much hard work. I don't want to put down people that work hard, because it's okay, I did it. But seeing the difference, it really made me realize that there's more to life than what you see, or than what you're used to see. So that's what I started investigating, comparing, and putting more work into the non-physical non-physical work, and more into the digital era, that's what we're living right now. So taking advantage of the free knowledge that you can obtain on YouTube, on the internet, and leveraging that to make either an educational video that I can sell, or a guide where I could capture leads and stuff like that, really makes a difference. And these wouldn't be possible if in every step of the way I didn't follow people that were already in the dream, living my dream. My biggest advice for everybody in this 2025 is unfollow any unnecessary people or individuals that are not producing or giving you any type of knowledge for you to achieve your dreams. The more time you spend watching things that are unnecessary, the more time you're going to have to spend learning things that actually are going to help you on the dream that you have. So the less you have distractions on your way, the more time you're going to be investing into the things that really matter for you. This is why it's very important for you to have a plan. Right now, it's very important for you to have a plan that you're going to follow in the next 6 or 3 months. It doesn't have to be a long-term goal, but a short-term. Little by little, you're going to be developing habits that are going to help you create a long-term goal. But starting little and then moving to the bigger arena, it's going to really help you develop that habit. And then you're going to see yourself in few months and few days, and you're going to see the difference of out of the blue or acting according to the plans that you have written down. So follow people that are already on the area that you want to be. I have repeated this more than 10 times already in this video, and I'm gonna keep repeating it to you because it's very important. If you haven't followed me, make sure you hit that follow button. You hit the notification so that you don't miss a video. Leave your comments or questions and make sure that you subscribe for more future videos to support the channel and to get to more people like you that need advices like this in order to keep going. I hope you guys like this video and make sure you come back to the new ones. Your girl Isaura Abreu, your credit specialist, was here